Hi everyone. So hope you are doing today. Hope you are doing great today. Okay. So today I'm going to install and explore new version of Debian. It's a very stable operating system on which Ubuntu and few other distributions are based. So basically, for serious work and serious development, Debian is used. There are huge community who uses Debian. So let's go to Debian website. Debian, this is Debian website. So basically the universal operating system, what it says about it. So let's go on the website. So I have pre-downloaded the ISO file of this to save your time. So let's read something about it. So about people who are and what we do. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, it's open. So how it all started. So it was started in August 1993 when Lan Murdoch, I hope I am spelling it right. Murdoch started working on new operating system which would be made openly and spirit of the Linux and GNU. He sent out an open invitation to other software developers asking them to contribute to a software distribution based on the Linux kernel, which was relatively new back then. Debian was meant to be carefully and consistently put together and to be maintained and supported with similar care. So, embracing an open source design. So, this is basically about it. So, if you want to learn more about this, go to website, go to their blogs and everything, and learn about it. So, our philosophy: get involved, contribute. You can also get involved and contribute to this operating system if you want. For that, you have to subscribe to their mailing list of Debian teams, all those things you can read about it. So this is a good operating system, stable, basically used on servers, used for development, used by scientists and all. So a lot of people are using it. Okay. Okay. So if anything else is there, so this is the Debian.org. From here you can download. Okay. So these are the updated released. These are description about it. You can read through that. Okay. So if you click here, this is the download link. You can other downloads. So if you click this, it will start downloading the operating system, which is 600 MBs like of size. Okay. So let's go to other download. I'll show you other options. So see, so basically small installation, 64 GB, a larger complete installation image, which is bigger. It will be around minimum, I think, 4 to 5 GB or 8 GB at least. Okay. So let me show you how. So this contains almost everything. Okay. So let's see how big is it. So it is 4 GB basically. So this version which I have downloaded, that is 600 MB. So this smaller one. So after installing, you can install any software that you need, and if you need everything at once, you can download this version. This will install at least almost everything which you are required as a development and other things. Okay, so I'll start with this Debian. This I'll let this download this. Maybe I'll create a video with this, like what all different things are there. Okay, I'll minimize this. So here are the different mirrors from where you can download. Whichever country is near to you, you can download from there. It will be faster bit. Complete installation image contains package for all desktop environment, making it easier to install machine without an internet connection. Okay, so for this you need internet connection. For if you want to install something, it's obvious that you need, and this contains almost everything. Okay, not everything it will contain, but a lot of things which are required. Okay, try Debian live before installing. If you want a live image, you can live image of that. You can create, and you can create a pen drive after this and boot with it if you want. You just want to try it. So I have downloaded it. So let's start the installation. New virtual machine. Next, let's choose the ISO image. Okay, this is done. This is it has recognized it. DVI and Debian. I think 1 second. It was Debian 12. Okay, Debian 12. 12. Next, I'll give 25 GB. Anyhow, memory I'll increase it to 16 GB. Okay, I have increased to 60 GB. Processor I'll give as 6 processors I'll get. Network I'll give bridged. Close. That's okay. Finish. Now it will start the installation. Okay, thank you. So installation will start. Let's see how much time it takes. Oh, wow. So now it's 15:55. Okay. So graphical installation. I'll choose graphical. You have different options. Whichever you like, you can choose. So I'll use this one, graphical installation. Mhm. Now, okay, English, India, obviously, American English. You can choose your own language. Lot of languages are there. So interface will basically keyboard and all will work according to this. So I keep American English as such. Detecting hardware. Okay, you can see the things which are happening in background. It also showing with the progress bar. It is also showing what's going on behind. Attempting IPv6 auto configuration. Let it be. Okay. So this is host name. I'll give Infinity Debian. I always use Infinity domain name. Anything review part of it. I don't have anything as such, so no need to give that. Root password. Okay. Enter the root full name. So this will be the user. That was the password for root account, and this it will create a user. My name. I have entered the name. This is my username. It's okay. Password. Okay. Okay. Continue. Now detecting the disk. It will ask for partitioning the disk. Let's see. Guided use. So you can choose guided use entire disk as a setup LVM. Guided use entire disk and set up encrypted LVM. Manual, you can do manual partition. Use entire disk. I'm just doing this first option. Okay, this is the disk which I have created. Continue. All files in the okay, that's fine. Don't have anything in that. Continue. Let's see. Oh, okay, 1 second. Okay, okay. Basically, it's creating two partition, one extension, one is swap. Fine. Next, okay. You can see it's creating two part one one primary, one logical partition, swap partition. Swap is generally used in Linux as a secondary memory. If your RAM goes exhausted, then the swap partition is used. So 1 GB swap and so this is creating. So continue. Okay. Write the changes. Yes. Continue. So basically, it is creating and partitioning the disk now. Now it's installing the base system. So it started from 15:55. Now it's three minutes basically. So it was almost 15:56. So almost 3 minutes have passed. So almost we are done with the installation. Okay, let's wait for some more time. Hopefully, it should complete in 5 to 7 minutes. And as I always say, if you install this operating system directly on your machine, it will be more faster, more yeah, more faster basically. Okay, so what it's asking? No, no need to. Basically, it's asking if you have any other installation media. It will scan it and try to install some other software. If you wish to scan more media, I don't want to because I don't have. I have this ISO image only. So continue. India, continue. David did so configure the package manager. So these are the So as you have software center and all, so basically Debian has Deb the package manager. You can install things. So anyone you can choose. Okay. So iitac.in. This is from India. This is from India. I can choose any of them. So basically, I'm keeping dev or dev organ in the main one only. The proxy, I don't have any proxy. Okay, next. Mhm. Okay, basically now it's installing the softwares. Meanwhile, I'll see whether the complete Debian. Okay, this is also downloaded. What I'll do, I will create another video for this. Okay, so let's wait for this. Is configuring. Okay, retrieving packages running. Okay, so configure popularity contest. The choose whether you like modify rerun GPK configure popularity contest. I'm not sure what it is. What is this? The system may anonymously supply the distribution level. Okay, basically this is asking that whether you want to participate in this popularity contest or not. So basically, whatever you do, anonymous, without including your personal information, the data will be sent to the developers so that it can be improved if anything bad happens. Anything. So it data can be improved. So that if you want, you can enable it. I'll keep it no for now. Better make it as it will help developers only. So basically, this is very secure software, so no need to worry. Okay. So okay, so now install. It's asking for uh, which desktop you are want to use. So what I'll do, I'll install everything. I'll show you what it means. It's good. Web server, okay, it's fine. SSL server, fine. Okay, continue. I have chosen everything. Okay, I'll show you how the different desktop looks. It's installing the files. Around 2,837 files are being installed. 314. Okay. 1 minute 49 seconds. So basically 56 4 plus 2 6 minutes has passed and installation is going on. So let's wait for these files to be retrieved and installed. Okay, let this be installed and we'll see what's going on. Hmm. Let's wait for. So meanwhile the installation goes on, I'll tell you about something about Debian. So basically, it's free and open source. Okay, it's a Linux distribution which is free and open source. It is popular for stability, extensive, very huge amount of software repository. Lot of softwares are available for this, and community-driven development. So basically, there is a open source community which maintains it and develop it and manage it. Okay, so it's one of the oldest and most respected Linux distribution. Okay, it's often preferred over other like ad hoc basis or Linux distributions because it's good on reliability and security sides. Okay, and basically it is most of the time it is used for servers and the environments where there are mission critical uh, um, option is needed. Okay, so this is asking about GDM, light GDM. This is basically how your desktop is. So basically, I use GDM3, light DM also you can use. I am just keeping a default. You can experiment with this, choose. So after this installation, you can install it later also. Whatever two other options were there, that's an option. So what I was telling about Debian. So so it has around 59,000 software packages which are available to be installed on the Debian. Okay, it has vast collection of software packages available. Okay, so it's renowned basically. for stability and security due to extensive testing and bug fixing. So there is a huge community which maintains it, work extensively on bug fixing and other aspects on it. So it's very reliable. So Debian core philosophy revolves around principle of free software. They believe in free software. Okay, so there are other players in the market who do it for money. It's obvious, it's fine, it's not bad. But so basically, Debian is like Debian principle is free software philosophy. So this is a kind of operating system which is community driven, and it has long history, like around 1993. That means today it's 7, 10, 10, 20, 27 plus 5. Almost 32 years of history it has. Okay. So basically, around 32. Yeah, that's great. It's at 32 years for a software being this old is very good, and it proves that it has potential. That's why it has existed till now. Okay. Basically, best thing about this is the commitment to free software. So all the software that you can install offer all the option, like for image editing, video processing, um, authoring, word processing, everything. Like all the free softwares are available for this operating system, which can use. Okay, so it's taking now what it is doing. Let's see, unpacking themes. Okay, fine, that's fine. Let's wait for it. Mhm. So one thing, it's here in VM. It may take some more time. If you are installing it on directly, like directly from pen drive to machine, it will be a bit faster. So Ian Murdoch, the maverick behind the creation of Debian project. He was great man, Ian Murdoch. They started it. Let's wait for it to complete. So as you know, Android, whenever they release their releases with the code name of food items. But Debian, whenever they release code name after Toy Story characters. Okay. So Debian 1 was first released with the code name. It was named Buzz after the Toy Story character Buzz Lightyear, and it was like, so Debian is not limited to Linux. Okay, Debian also has a distribution based on FreeBSD kernel. It's called Debian GNU K FreeBSD. So these are the facts which I'm telling you while installation are going on. Okay, install grub bootloader your primary drive. Yes, let it be. Enter. You need to make sure you install system bootable. Install the grub bootloader, bootlet device. The usual ways to do it to install grub to your primary drives. Okay, I'll install it here. Fine. The installation is finishing basically. So Google uses Debian as its in-house development platform. Earlier used earlier, Google used to customize the version of Ubuntu as a development platform. Recently, they opted for Debian-based G-Linux. Okay, we'll see what G-Linux is also. That's till installation is going on. So basically, G-Linux will be Google Linux, which it should be based on Debian. Let's see what Linux is. So Linux is a proprietary Debian testing based Linux distribution developed and used internally by Google for their employee workstation. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's see some images of it. So good Ubuntu Linux. So basically they have customized it, customized Debian, and they are using it for their engineers workstation, which means like this is a very good operating system. If Google is using it, that should be, yeah. So installation is complete. So it's time to boot into a new system. Make sure remove this. So it's fine. Okay, continue. So installation is finished. Now it is 16:10. So 16:56 to 10 to like 14 minutes around it has taken. Okay. Okay. It's booting now. Let's see. Let's see how it looks. This is booting. Oh, great. So this is how it looks. I'll enter the password and see. I had installed the different desktop, right? So see, this is the option we have. These many desktop environment we have. So first I'll boot with Genome and I'll show you other options also. Okay. So we'll do that first. So you'll see how it looks basically. Okay. So this is how it looks. So this is welcome window. Next, next, next. This is here where you can connect your online account. Next, start using Daniel. As simple as that. Okay, let's start. Let's start. So this is how it looks. Change background, whatever you want, you like, change it. It's good. Okay. Wow. Earlier, sometime back, I used to use this operating. I liked it a lot. Recently, I have started using Ubuntu. Okay. Wow. This is good. Wallpaper. Fine. So right click has three options. Change background, display settings, as sleek as that. So 200. So if you, what you'll do, so there should be an option for, this is like 10%, 100%, 200. There should be a bit uh, smaller. So, okay. So this is become very big. So suppose if I want 150%, it should have that. Okay. Revert changes, there should be. Okay. So you can decrease this, apply, revert setting. I can change the refresh rate, resolution, and all everything. Night light is off. Make it on. There should be for other Linux distributions. I have seen that here there is an option of fractal scaling. So if you enable that, you can choose like percentage. In that they have given the fixed percentage. That's okay, but there can be one more step like 100, 25, 150, and this like that. It should be there, but it's not okay. 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 Oh, sorry for disturbance. So three options setting. So this will bring you to the setting. We'll see. We'll go through the setting later. And now we'll see what other options are there. Activities. Okay, this is the workspace. So by default, it has two workspaces. You can see. So one is here, one is this one. You see, I clicked it. So I'm coming here. So after clicking the activities, you have option of Firefox ESR evolution, that is a mail client, or Office Writer. I'll show you how it looks. Basically, a word processor, new document, LibreOffice. So this is how it looks. You can make it bigger, smaller. All the options are there. File, new, anything. So this is a basically a good open source, not open source. Basically, yeah, free Office alternative. Okay. Okay. Then you have files. This is a kind of file manager. Here you have option of desktop, document. These are the options are there. Recent, start, document, downloads, music, picture, video. Other location if you go, this is your disk. Okay, this is your file system. We don't have to go anywhere because our home is here. Here you get all the files. So it's very easy, very sleek, very confusion free. If you start using it, it's very user friendly. Now we have software center from where you can install the different softwares. Okay, it's genome. Okay, so there are different options: create, work, play, socialize, learn, develop. So let's see, create. Inside create, it is first time, so it's fetching, basically updating the metadata behind. So it will take a bit long time in first run, and after that it these things will load very easily. So meanwhile it loads, let's see other options. So basically this software center, this one is help. Let's see what helps contains. This will tell you about the genome, what was the visual overview, everything about genome. If you want to learn something, you can go ahead and learn. Fine, this is loading, not sure why it's taking more time. Fine. So this is so applications, so these are the default applications which comes. Okay, so contact. This one is calendar, I see. No, this is a game. Wow. I think something there. Not sure how to play this. Genome 2048. I'm not sure. We don't know. What's this? We have to learn its manual to play it. So very nice. This one weather, clock, map, about myself, about the system. Okay, this is about the user. You can add any information if you want. Okay, this is loaded. So let's continue this. Actually, see, there is a huge amount of softwares which are available for Debian. So, and these metadata are not stored locally. Basically, the information has to be fetched from the internet. So it takes time, and that also first time it will take more time, and later once it caches that information, it takes very less time. See how fast it's loading now. So likewise, this will also take much time. Okay, what I'll do, I'll click everything and let it cached. Okay, basically currently it's fetching this one. Let's see, I'll click social, learn, develop. Okay, so like this. So these are the default softwares that are available now. So let this work load. Meanwhile, we'll see other options. So these are softwares we have seen till here. So video, this is a kind of video player, calculator. This is a card game, gedit, text editor, document scanner. If you need scanner, if you need to scan something, scanner is there. Setting, system monitor. We'll see. Okay, so this is the system monitor, simple and sleek process. These are the list of processes that are running currently. Currently, basically, I think how many are there? I think and process these options. See, if you see, here some options are coming here. It will show you all the information about this. Around 50 to 50 processes are running by default. So this is the resource panel. So this will show you the CPU, memory, and swap memory uses. So 3.4 GB is being used out of 16 GB. File system, so 43% is used. That's fine. Let's close it. Okay. Preference. Okay. So these are some preference. You can play with it if you need it. So this is done. Activity. Okay. So we have seen the what system monitor. This one is like RSS reader, aggregator, aggregator client. You can you can add different feeds to this. If you see, let it open. So you can add different. So we have different blogs and website. We will provide you RSS feed. So you can come and add it here, add a feed, and you can it will keep on updating, and you can read it from here. Okay. So this has loaded. So these are the different options in this. So play. Let's see what. So this will play with game. So I hope you have understood. So these are the different options that are available in Debian for installation. These are the different softwares. Okay. So let's close this. Okay. So now activity. Let's go to softwares, settings, system, aggregator, terminal. You know. very well. Command line interface. This is advanced network configuration, disk analyzer, backups like password and all. You can keep it. Disk related, image viewer, document viewer, archival manager, password and keys. I'm not sure what is this then. Create your first backup. Okay, okay. So if you want to create backup of something, this is like good tool that is being provided. Okay, fine. Inside utility, then we have password. Okay, you can keep your password and keys here. Twax, this will see appearance. You can decide Avita, cursor. Okay, see if you see this cursor will change. I think where is it? Okay, that's fine. Avita default breeze something. Okay, see this cursor has changed, right? You can see this is good one. See, this is changing. This cursor is changing. You can see. KD plasma. Okay, see this cursor is changed, right? So mate black. KD mate. See, this has changed. This was good actually. Breeze cursor. Mm, Breeze. See, this is good. Mhm. So this is how you can change things. Fonts. Okay. Keyboard, mouse related things, and Mac input keyboard. So these are the different startup applications you can add. If you need to start start in the beginning, you can add this. Okay, top bar. So clock, you can add this. See, this clock is added. Seconds, it will show seconds. Week number, where it's adding. Somewhere it should add. I'm not sure where it's. Okay, it's added in calendar basically here. Okay, today. Let's see what is the change. There should be something. Okay, something has changed. Basically, week number basically. Windows title bar. You can trigger toggle maximize. These are the options are there. Minimize, maximize buttons. If you see, if it do this window tile one, what a maximize button has gone. Minimize button. Okay, see, it's going. Something is there. I think something is missing. Not sure. So some bug is there. See, if I do this, you can see right, it has gone. So hopefully, if anyone from Debian see this, just toggle maximize. Not sure why it's going. Okay, toggle maximize, minimize. These are different options. Windows. So if anyone from Debian see, I'm not sure why this happening. If you can see this coming and going, this menu. See here. Okay. So Windows, create new session, resize. So these are the different options are there. Okay. Activities. So we were in utility. So fonts, logs, characters. Let's see, this is a smileys. We said good amount of smileys. You can use it. That's great. And okay, let's go utility and screenshots. If you want to take screenshot, screen, window, selection. Okay, take screenshot. Let's see, like this you can do. I'll not take it now. Screen, it will take whole screen. Window, it will take one window. Okay, that's fine. So I think all the basic requirement is there. What is the alternative configurator? I'm not sure what is this. I've seen you. Oh, okay. So it's kind of GPE edit.msc which is there in Windows. So different options are there. So here you can tweak tweak different things here related to this operating system. You can play with it if you want. So utility has finished. This much where there are utilities are done. The archival software you need to create. You can create archives imagine these days. Sorry, archive software. Usually PDF viewer basically cheese. I think this is camera. So I have not added a camera to my VM, so it's not coming. Very good. Camera is there. This one is something. Okay, this is a music player, I think. Okay, video. Okay, plugin. Okay, this is a kind of, I think, music player. Okay, so you can play music with it. It's good. Uh, this one will be something, I think. Okay, great. So this is for burning softwares. Okay, audio. So I think this is a CD kind of about a simple CD and burning application. CD burning, basically CD burning utility. It's good. So it's available nowadays. Okay, fine. Let's go to other options. Calendar is there. Next, character map chess. Good. Chess is there. It's good. You can play chess in between. So you have good game option. You can play. I'll move it now. Move forward now. Okay. Chess, clipboard manager, as you know, copy and paste. So you whatever copy, it will come here. Command you set type, common UI setup. Let's see what it is. Okay. What lower left corner, some options are there. Okay. Let's see. So we have to at least explore it. So this is just installation and going forward. We can explore things. Okay. Crash process viewer. Okay, this will give you crash process viewer desktop. In desktop related scene, if you need bigger icon, you can do this. Okay, margin of work area. These things you can define for your desktop. I cancel it. Next. Next. Okay, we'll move forward. Discover what is this. Let's see. Okay, this is another application manager. Beside that, so this has a better interface, good interface. So you can install from here also. Okay, this is a discover. This is different kind of application. You can go here, road therapy, and I think there should be installation option. Wow, this software. Wow, road therapy. This is for raw image which is used. Where is the option to install? It's here, so you can install. So these are different. These many softwares are available. You can give it. You can see. You can. Sorry, I don't know how to. Is there any option to mute the notification? Yeah. Now notification no come. Thank you. I should have done it before. Okay. So these are the different softwares which are available. You can see huge amount of softwares are there. Okay. Not sure why it's called why it's not working. So see, this should work. Actually. If I click and drag, it's happening, but somehow it's not very easy now. No, it's not. Here, somewhere coming here, it's working. Uh, I'm not sure. It's not working. This scroll bar should work. Maybe a bug or something. Okay, so this many softwares are available. Different sections, programming, multimedia, back, developer tools. So these are different developer tools available. Debugging. See how big the software center is. For everything, you have different options like web development if you want, profiling, and so it's section under section, like under section like that. They are like hierarchical thing is there. So graphics, lot of options are there. So you can go through this and install whatever software you need. It's all free. Okay, next. So this just discover disk management. I think this is the Dolphin file manager. There are two file managers given. I think one is this one, another one is this. Okay. Okay, this one is Dolphin File Manager, Dragon Player. should be some media player. Okay, a media player. So till now, whatever operating system I have explored in Linux only, uh, here like more softwares are available. Okay, archive manager, X also. Why I don't know what the software is. Something is there. Praveen track number, edit tags, folder. I'm not sure what software. Something related to music. Okay, let's move forward. You can explore it if you have interest in this. Extensions. Okay, let's see. Apply application menu. It will come here. If you can see, so you can have the start menu also. This is great. So see, like this you can have. You have that option also. If you want, disable. If you don't want, disable it. If you want, it will have another menu. So you have everything here. Okay, I'll let it be there. After that, auto move window. There should be something. Wait, I'll clock. Something should be there. Auto move. So move application to specific workplace when they create window. Okay. Okay. So when an application creates another window, it will be to that workspace only. So that is option. So see, there are different options are there. Extension, screenshot, window sizer, user theme, window list, window navigator. So different extensions are there. You can go through it, play with it, and whatever you like, you can keep it. You can remove it. Linux is free. So this is for note taking. This is another text editor. This is a file manager. You can see. So this is another file manager. So you can keep one or like whichever file manager file. This is also file manager. Okay. I've seen this. See, it has so window people who use this. See, my computer, home, desktop, like this. This is similar to window file manager. Okay, so you can see video download. So this is just similar to Windows. So if anyone having, if you need to has Windows experience, they can easily work on this also. Okay, okay. Let's see. The file manager 5 for move. So this is a game. This is a game. This is another package installer. Okay, what you can do if you have downloaded some package. Okay, so you can download some package Debian dev file or something. You can install it through this. It will take care of all dependency and all. Okay, this is on another note taking. So this one another node, this one another. So if you want it, keep it. Otherwise, you can uninstall. This is a very good program for graphics editing. Hope you must have seen it. Whoever works on Windows, this is also available for Windows also. Okay, so something has happened. Okay, I'll wait. So this is a basically uh, graphics editing tool. So you can do edit photos, whatever you want to do. You can do brushing. You can see. So whatever you want to do, you can do with this. This is a very good graphic, serious graphic editor. You can available on Linux. Next, what is this? GMU something. I'm not sure what it is. Picture browser view. Something related to image viewer or something. Okay. Okay, this is done. Wow. See how many applications are there? Oi. I'll go fast then. Otherwise, this video will become very big. So these are different terminals. Save editor, snap players. So see, just see, this is the Debian version which is just 600 MB, and this many applications are already available. SMTU, I think YouTube client is there. So you can go through all this once installed. You just explore all these applications. Okay, this see volume control is there, snowball, speed grab, distro, robot. I think. So these are different. This is game. Okay. Okay. Wow. Kate. These many options are there. You can see. Okay. So one more thing there. So what I did, I had installed different desktop versions. So their applications also will come. Like suppose if I have installed Mate desktop. So Mate application has come. I have installed KDE. So I think there will be you can see there will be some KDE application
Airtel
also.
warning, spam.
KDE applications there. Okay, I'll show you. Somewhere I've seen KDE something. Okay. Okay, so if you install only one desktop version, I think some of these applications will not be installed. Like KDE Partition Manager, KDE. So I have enabled KDE desktop environment also. That's why these are coming. So if you disable the KDE, if you just select Genome, or if you just select KDE and disable Genome, some of these applications will not come here. Okay. So now let's see. I log out and I'll show you. Okay, so this is basically like setting. Like that when you click the. Okay, let's first explore settings. Okay, settings is somewhere here. Software files. Okay, setting. You can drag it if you want. You can drag and keep it here, or if you want to like this. See. So this is just like other Linux distribution setting. Network, Bluetooth, appearance, notification, search, multitasking, application. This is all almost same for all the Linux distributions that have come basically. Okay, so this nothing to like explore much on this. You can explore. So this is the here is the calendar and notification area, and this one is the this last shutdown thing. So this is related to network. This is power related, night light, dark mode. Okay, so this is dark mode, light mode, and okay, this is screenshot shortcut here. Good. Screenshot settings. This has come, and now what we'll do. This is lock button. This is suspend, restart, power off. I log out and show other desktop environments for me. Log out. Okay, so we have just gone through genome now. I'll show you LXDE. So see how LXDE will look. See, this is the different interface. So this is how it looks. It just looks like Windows 98 or some kind of Windows XP. So if you like this, you can choose this desktop and you can choose this desktop environment. Okay. So this log out. I'll see another desktop environment. Setting. If you find this video long, you can always skip and watch forward and backward. I'll choose Cinnamon now. Let's see how it looks. Wow. So this is also similar to previous one, Cinnamon. This has start menu. Just I'm not sure whether this is like Windows 7 or Windows 7 is like Cinnamon. So I'm not sure who copied whom. This is just like Windows 7 or some kind of Windows 10 interface. So this is simple. This is start menu, file manager, terminal, and this is like start and these different things like network related thing or okay. So let's start, log out. This is quit. Okay, okay, here it is. Shut down, suspend. I will restart now. I need to log out, log out, log out. Okay, so I'll see another one. So cinnamon we have seen. This is software entering. Is similar. This is very similar. Genome we have already seen. Genome classic. We'll see once. How is it? Okay. So genome classic is okay. So here is one bar, extra bar. This is also good. This bar you can set here, left, right, and anywhere. Application places. So this is how it looks. If you like this genome version, this is this genome classic, like old genome one. If you like this one, you can use this. So whichever desktop option you choose, it's on you. So okay, log out. Okay, so this is also good option. If you want to, if you like this interface, you can choose this. And genome via the 17 flashback. This will be similar. Meta city. We'll see how is it. Okay, this is similar to previous one. Okay, but the start menu is different. You can see. I like the earlier previous one. I like more. So whichever you like, you just use it. Okay, just that's why I've installed everything. So whichever you like, you want that desktop environment you use it. Now I'll genome on X. So it should be similar to that, but let's see. Okay, similar. Wow, this is similar to what we had earlier. Activities, appearance, but okay, this is activity here. Different. Okay, this is similar to what we have gone through. Okay, this is similar to that. Log out, log out. Basically, see how great environments are there. So you have many options of desktop environment when you want to. There are lots. This is, I'm not sure which one I have said. Okay, this is loaded actually. Okay, this is how it looks. Places, system. This is categorized system president. They like this. It has organized, and this is like mate searching tool. This is mate, I think. Okay, so let's log out. Where is the logout window? Folder system logout. Logout. Okay, logout. What happened? Is this hanging or something? System log. It's not working. Okay, something has happened. It's not working. System logout. Ah, it took some time, but it happened. Something would have happened. I'm not sure behind. It's on Debian people to see. Okay, setting. With this we have seen LXQD. Let's see how this looks. Wow, what is this asking? I have never used this. Kevin, window manager for KD software, Miro, GTK window manager. So this it's giving another options. Open box, XKD for okay. What happened? Very small. Cancel. Kevin. I have selected Kevin. Okay. Oh, this is old Debian. It looks like old Debian. Okay. So these are how it looks like. Windows, Windows 98, 95. This kind of like start menu there. Here is notifications are also there. Shutdown button. My computer. This is just like Windows. Okay. I'm not sure who copied whom, but this looks like Windows 98, Windows XP, and all those kind of like Windows with before Windows 7 or 8. Okay. So let's log out now. Hibernate option is a reboot log out. Okay. Let's log out now. Yes, I want to log out. Okay, we have seen a mate. We'll see. Okay, this is just similar to Windows. Okay, mate. Okay, I think we have seen this. Okay, log out. Log out. See how many options you have. In Windows, you get only one desktop option. Here, like 10, 15 are there. Whichever you want, you can choose from it. It's loading or what? Okay, it's loading. Something is happening. Let's wait for that. Maybe it's loading everything, so it is taking time. Okay, nothing is there. Yeah. You see, just an if you want minimalistic system, no application, nothing. Yes, see Debian application. You just work on right click. That's all. Nothing will be there. So if you like this, so see obcon configure application web browser. See, so it's coming. Like applications are there, but you won't get any interface. Now, this is also a good option if you like it. Exit. That's all. Exit. So it's out. It's just simple. Very simple option. This is open box. Okay. Plasma. We'll see plasma. Okay. This is very good interface. KDE basically using KDE. This is also good. OpenSUSE and other operating system uses this kind of interface. So this is just like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 10 also. This kind of interface is there. My computer network like this. You have cancel, cancel, cancel. It's not opening. I'm not sure why. Computer. Okay. Continue. Okay. So open it. So basically, this is like this interface is there. It's a file manager basically. So we have already seen it. So let's log out. Where is log out? Leave. Log out. Okay. So these are different options are there. Log out. So I've shown you almost all the only two are left. So let's see. Plasma, LN. This will be also similar. So something is different. You can read about it a bit. I leave that to you. This was similar to early one interface. We have only one left. We have only one left. Let's go that one also, which is XFC. This is like very clean, simple interface. I'm not sure why it's not loading. Not sure why it's not loading. Okay, so load. There is some issue with it. I'm not sure. Is it if it is a bug or something? But this is a simple interface. I have seen it. There should be. I'll try once more. Okay. There is some bug. You can search on internet if you face this. I can search and fix it, but I don't want to do it now. Okay, so let's continue with our. So I like Genome, Genome Classic, Mate also Genome. Basically, I like Genome. Okay, if I don't have Genome, I'll go with Cinnamon and what you should Mate and other also. Okay, so hope you have liked it. The whole exploration thing. I'll go for Genome. Yes. Okay. This one I like. Clean and intuitive. Only two options. Okay. So hope you have liked this video. So thank you for watching. Please do share, comment, support, like, subscribe. It don't take anything. Please let us know if you like anything. If you don't like anything, please that also feedback you can give. And also, just let me know if anything, any other operating system or software you want me to install, configure, and explore. And for you, thank you very much. Have a great time. Bye bye.